New at 10, Minnesota lawmakers have reached a deal on a public safety spending package this weekend. One focus, police accountability measures. KMT News 3's Jeremy Wall is learning how locals feel about the bill.
I'm outside the Olmsted County Law Enforcement Center. If passed, agencies here and across the state will be impacted by a bill Minnesota lawmakers reached an agreement on Saturday. The bill will limit no-knock search warrants, establish a state government office focused on missing and murdered Indigenous women, and require 911 operators to refer calls involving mental health emergencies to crisis teams when appropriate. Becca Mills is from the Twin Cities. She believes this legislation is important.
I think it is good to address the mental health to a mental health crisis of just they've got more knowledge and information on there, but also for those to respond as soon as possible is also needed in certain situations.
Jackie Armstrong of Rochester comes from a family of police officers. Although she agrees with most of the bill's powers, she thinks it can use some improvement.
No-knock warrants aren't necessarily a great idea. I think that's a step in a good direction as well, but I think it needs a lot more discussion on both sides and support for police and for the community in both ways.
The deal was made last night, but House Speaker Melissa Hortman and Senate Majority Leader Paul Gazelka are still trying to resolve some minor issues. The legislature must pass all budget bills by Wednesday to fund state government and avoid a shutdown on Thursday. In Rochester, Jeremy Wall, KIMT News 3.
Governor Walz signed 5 omnibus budget bills into law Saturday, a part of the work with legislative leaders to pass a 2-year state budget. The goal is to drive Minnesota's economic recovery from the pandemic. The bill signing spanned monetary help for Minnesota's outdoor recreation opportunities, higher education, agriculture, commerce and energy, and transportation. Governor Walz said, in part, "I was proud to sign a strong set of bills that will not only help Minnesota recover from the COVID-19 pandemic, but will bring us back better than ever." He went on to say that, quote, "Minnesota is ready to put this pandemic behind us. It's time for the legislature to finish the job."